Hi, my name is Rebecca from SKYLAB. SKYLAB is a precision forestry company, and although we are headquartered in Germany, we work all over the world, analysing aerial data to help the forestry industry get a quick, precise and comprehensive overview of what's going on in their forest stands. Today I'm going to talk about measuring tree heights using AI. When conducting terrestrial surveys, measuring tree heights based on sample plots alone may or may not be a reliable indication of the growth dynamics across the whole stand. Using photogrammetry, or structure from motion, based on data collected by drone or plane, we at SKYLAB are able to create a tree height model that accurately measures the height of every single tree in the stand. Heights can be measured easily and accurately in stands where crowns do not overlap, so that's mostly conifers of course, but also some broadleaves such as poplar and eucalyptus. And we usually achieve accuracies of about plus or minus 20 centimetres, which is about 1 foot. In these examples, where the red areas show the tallest trees and green the smallest, you can immediately identify areas of poorer or stronger growth, which is very important information for planning thinning and harvesting operations. We produce detailed grid maps that show the mean or top height in each grid cell across the stand. These maps allow you to optimize your terrestrial sampling to ensure that you have a genuinely representative sampling plan. Good quality, high-resolution images are crucial to the success of these analyses, so we advise you on choosing the right tool for the job, the drone, camera and so on. Or if you're collecting the data yourselves by drone, then we give you all the specifications that you need for every flight. Alternatively, we can recommend a network of pilots who can fly for you. If you have any questions or would like to find out more, you can contact us at hello@skylabglobal.com. Thank you.